It is a convert as a red litmus. Got it? Or yes, this is only about a what? This is only about acids. And which one is called a base is then? The bases are nothing but which produce OH minus ions because of ionization or a dissolving process. And as well as when we touch, it will be like a Sophie manner. Means what it will be? Yes, Sophie nature it will be there. Okay, clearer. And as well as when we are taken a blue litmus, it remains a blue litmus only. And as well as when we take it is a red litmus. Okay, now it is converted as a what? It is a converted as a blue litmus. For what? For the basis purpose. Got it up? This is only about our concept of acids and as well as the bases. Okay, and here there is when we take here somewhat acids, they contain a commonly HCl. Okay, now yes, and as well as the here we take it as what H2SO4. Okay, clear or not? And as well as when you take it is as a nitric acid HNO3. Okay, these all are contained commonly as H here. Okay, now H plus ion. And when you take a common for a basis, NaOH is a base. SOH is a common. KOH. Okay, now S potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide. Okay, clear or not also? Yes, magnesium hydroxide. Okay, clear or not all the students? And as well as calcium hydroxide. Okay, clear? Yes, there is a what? These all are contained commonly as a what? Common as a OH. Okay, now that's why they are produced for us OH minus ions, and as well as when you take it is S acid, they produce the what? A H plus ion. That is one more thing. And the last class we done experiment also. That is only we have the so many indicator in that one naphthalene solution is a one. Okay, now and as well as the methyl orange is a one. The methyl orange and as well as the naphthalene solutions are also changes acidic nature and as for acidic and for a basis. Whatever acid it is there, that acid is okay now. Yes, a convert because of methyl orange into red color. Whatever the color is there for the acid, that is a converted it is into red color. In your regular syllabus also, our textbook syllabus also, we are already discussed. Okay, now yes, all the students please listen carefully. So many are chit chat with your friends. Okay, now yes. Next time I'm announce the name also. Okay, that's why listen carefully. Look at the board. Here, when you check it here, automatically that all the acids are converted. Yes, it is into red color when we take a methyl orange. Okay, it is not changes, it's a color. Okay, now when we are taken naphthalene solution. Okay, now phenaphthalene solution when we take it is not changes, it's a color. But when we take it is a basis. The basis is a converted, it's a color into yes, pink color for a phenaphthalene solution. For acids, it will be changed, it's a color into what? Yes, yellow color. Already in the last class, we are discussed. Okay, now, yes, and we completed our experiments also. Yes, tomorrow we'll go with the so many acids and bases, how it is the changes for a phenaphthalene and as well as the, yes, our methyl orange and as well as the for our litmus papers. Okay, tomorrow we'll go with that all color changes, what is there. Okay, and here, especially in our IIT foundation concept, not about the indicator that much, it is not there. About the actions and as well about the properties of acids and bases are there. Okay, now, yes, first you have to know what is the acid and what is the basis. I hope you know very well. Yes, which contain sour taste, which contain a strong nature, which are changes for a litmus papers or colors, and which are changes for a phenaphthalene and as well as the methyl orange purpose, how they changes. Okay, depending on that one, we have conclude acids and as well as the bases. Extra to that, in our regular syllabus, it is not there. Okay, now when it will be undergoes ionized, it will be converted as yes H plus ions and as well as the OH minus ions. Okay, now it will be gives the H plus and as well as the OH minus ion. Which gives the H plus ions, it is a called what? Acids. Which gives the OH minus ions, it's a called a bases. Okay, clear or not? Yes. And in the formula only itself it is there, but every time it is not like that only. Suppose you take a carbon dioxide, the carbon dioxide is not a produce H plus ions, but it is a contain acidic nature. Okay, clear or not, all students? Like that only, every OH minus ions is not a produce, it's not called a basis. Okay, clear or not? Yes, depending on maximum 90% they produce the H plus ions. Yes, and OH minus ions when dissolved, depending on that one only, dissolve in the water, they produce H plus or OH minus ions. That is only there. And next one is strong acid and as well as the strong base. Okay, clear or not, all the students? Strong acid and as well as the strong base. Which one is called a strong acid? Which one is called a strong base? Strong acid. And here, which produces more H plus ions? Which produces more H plus ions? It is called a strong acids. Okay, clear or not? Suppose you take it here. Okay, now when it is dissolved in the water, it's the what produce H plus and as well as the Cl minus ion. The concentration of H plus ions are more. Okay, now that is only called as strong acid. Okay, the concentration of okay, now yes, H plus ion should be more. That is called the strong acid. H2SO4 is the strongest one. Then the HCl. Okay, now H plus and as well as the Cl minus. HNO also, yes, it is also, it is only strongest than these two. Okay, H plus and as well as the, sorry, here SO4 minus. Okay, clear or not, all the students? 2. And here H plus NO3 minus. Okay, clear or not, all the students? This is only about our dissolving nature. Means what? When we take it into the water, it will be as H plus and as well as the Cl minus. Okay, that is called ionization process. In this one, there is a what? It will be contain a more H plus ions are there. Okay, the concentration is there. OH minus ions. That is called a strong basis. Which one is called a strong basis? The strong base is nothing but when you take a NaOH, okay, now it will be dissolved as, okay, clear or not? Na plus and as well as the OH minus. And suppose you take a potassium hydroxide, that is will be become what? A K plus and as well as the OH minus. Okay, now in this one, that the OH minus is the get for us. More OH minus ions are gives it is a called what? Strong base. Okay, clear or not? In case it is the less, OH minus ions are also gives for us, but a less amount, it is a called a what? Base. Which base? Weak base. Okay, now less OH minus ions are gives. In case of more OH minus ions is gives, it is a strong base. Got it? Or? Yes. It is a gives in a strong acid. It is a called a what? It is a contain a more H plus ions. Okay, now it is a more H plus ions. Got it or not? I hope you got it here. Yes, concentration means what? More H plus ions. Okay, yes, more OH minus ion. Depending on the concentration of H plus and OH minus ions only, we decided that is a strong acid or a weak acid. Are weak basis or a strong basis. Okay, this is about the concept. And here there is somewhat a weak acids and weak basis names are also given. Once you have to go check it. Okay, what is the weak acids? Weak acid. Okay, that is a CH3COOH. Don't confuse. Here OH is there now, sir. It is the basis. Not it is the basis. It is the vinegar. Vinegar is a what? Vinegar is a acid only. Yes, now there is a how there is we get the ions for it. We get the ions are like that here. Yes, CH3 COO minus and it is H plus. Less H plus ions are we get. That's why it is called a weak acid and H2CO3. Here we get 2H plus and CO3 minus. Okay, clear or not all the students? CO3 minus 2. Yes, and about this minus and plus, you know very well. Minus is nothing but gain of electrons. Gain of electrons. Already we have in a chemical combination and a chemical displacement in the reactions, redox reactions. We already discussed it. Okay. Yes, electron may losses sometime, electron may gain sometime. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, that electrons are gains. It is called a negative ion. Electrons are yes, the losses. It is called a positive ion. Already we are discussing. Electron is a losses. It is called what? A positive ion. Electron gains. It is called negative ion. Yes, why it is losses? Why it is a gains also? I am given that information. Why it is losses? Okay, now actually inert gases are there. You know very well. Neon. Okay, now and as well as helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. These are called what? Inert gases. In the 6th class IIT foundation also we have it. There is a nature of matters. Different nature of matters are there. In that one of the nature, you know very well, solid, liquids, and as well as the gases. These are only 3 matters according to you. But there is a what? One more thing is also there. That is only called as what? Plasma. Yes, they will not have ionized, but the number of electrons and protons are equal. That is called plasma. These gases, especially helium, neon, krypton, xenon, radon, they not losses the electrons, not losses the yes protons like that. It is that's why that gases are called inert gases. They are stable things. Every atom, our hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, everything they want to become that stability. Everyone they want to go to that nature. For this purpose only, either loss of electron or gain of electron is a positive. Okay, suppose you take a sodium, we call a sodium plus. Why? Because we call a sodium plus. Okay, nearest inert gas for the sodium is neon. Neon atomic number is how much? 10. If I want to become a 10 electron, actually in a sodium, how many electrons are there? 11 electrons are there. Okay, now if you want to become a 10, at that time it is only stable. Okay, now when it is a become 10 electrons atom, at that time only it is a stabilized. For that purpose, what we have to do for a sodium, we want to remove one electron. Okay, now yes, at that time it is a become what? Neon. Neon is a stable one. That is purpose only there is a what? There is a sodium is a last one electron, it become as a one of the positive ion. Got it? Suppose you take a chlorine. HCl chlorine is written as a minus now. Why we written minus here? Okay. Why we written minus here? Chlorine nearest gas is the one? Argon. Okay, argon atomic number is how much? 18. But a chlorine atomic number is how much? 17 only. Okay, now it want to take one electron from any other atom. Okay, clear or not? Yes, when you take HCl, the H is a plus, Cl is become minus. Hydrogen is a given, one electron to the chlorine. That is why we written as it is negative ion. Okay, clear or not? Yes, that is why the chlorine is become negative. When the chlorine is a get one more electron to it, it also contains 18 electron. At that time, it looks like argon. Understood not all? In this way, there is a loss of electrons are occurs in every atom except the electric gas. Every atom is ready to give electrons and a proton electrons to the other atom or a gain electrons from the other atom. Yes, depending on that situation. Okay, now depending on the its nature. Okay, now yes, either may it is a converted as a positive or may it is a converted as a negative. Okay, clear or not? Yes, at that time there is a we are in case in that particular substance or a compound. Okay, now more H plus ions are get it is a called strong. Now there is a less only possible here. Okay, now in the where in H2SCO3 and here H3PO4. Okay, phosphoric acid. Okay, now yes, and it is only contained in ants with the ants and as well as honeybee. Yes, phosphoric acid. Yes, and carbonic acid it is. And here it will be written as what? pH plus and as well as the PO4 minus. Okay, clear or not all this? This is only gives for us what? This is only gives for us. Okay, weak acids nature. And next component is weak bases. Which one is called a weak base? Yeah, uses OH minus ions, but the concentration is low. This is called acetic acid. This is called acetic acid. This is the carbonic acid. This is the phosphoric acid. And next, yes, there is a calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. In your regular syllabus, you know very well preparation of lime water. Okay, now how many you know? In a second lesson, we have it now. Preparation of lime water. Anyone want to say how to prepare lime water? Please raise your hand. If you want to say, please raise your hand. How to prepare lime water? Forgot it. Second lesson only, na? Recently completed. Acids and bases. Yeah. Tell me, Gopal. Gopal, Tushaiguda branch.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how to prepare lime water.
Sir, put 1 spoon of calcium hydroxide in a clean jar. Up to 1 gallon in size. Fill the jar with distilled or tap water. Shake the jar vigorously for 1 to 2 minutes. Then let it stand for 24
1 to
hours.
2 minutes.
Let it stand for 24 hours.
Yeah, 6 to 7 hours, 8 hours, like that.
This process we can make lime water.
Yeah, you take, there is a lime. Okay, now yes, that lime is poured in a water. Yes, and or otherwise you take a lime on a betel leaf. Okay, that will be dipped in the water. Okay, now stay up to 8 to 9 hours. Very good, Gopal. And here there is a one transparent solution may form. Okay, clear or not all this? The transparent solution is a filtered. We get the calcium hydroxide. That is only basis. Okay, generally for a checking by the litmus papers, for checking for the phenolphthalein purpose, if it is not available any basis, it's simple thing only. Okay, now you take a yes calcium hydroxide, that is lime nothing but a wet calcium carbonate. మనం సున్నం అంటాం రెగ్యులర్ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో తెలంగాణ లాంగ్వేజ్ లో సున్నం అంటాం కదా ఆ సున్నం తీసుకొచ్చేసి చేసేయచ్చు లైమ్ వాటర్ ఓకేనా ఎస్ and all the students nearby your any stationery shops, there is the litmus papers are available. You check, there is only 10 rupees. In the 10 rupees only, you'll get the litmus paper bundles. 2 bundles we get for us, 2 sheets we get for you. Once kept with you and search, there is in your regular syllabus, there is a 21 table number 3. It is there na. In the table number 3, there is a 20 things are they given in our regular syllabus. Okay, now yes, textbook, science textbook, it is there, na acids and bases. 21 various things are given. Once check it, there is acids or bases by using the litmus paper. You get idea. Yes, you get a wow factor also. It looks wow. It will be changes the what? Yes, blue to red, red to blue, like that. Okay, now tomorrow I want to show for you, and these things you also do. And here there is a, when you take a calcium hydroxide, they produces what? They produces calcium. Yes, it is a two-way reactions. That is indicates the reactions they given are 2 ways. It will be both the ways occur, not only one way. Okay, when we give like that, actually in our chemical reactions we give only one arrow. No? Sometimes they given two-way reactions. Two-way reactions it is. Yes, what will we get? Calcium and as well as the hydroxides, both are will be. Yes, calcium and as well as the waste -2 also we get for us. That is only we are taken as 2OH minus. Then we get this form. This is called a weak basis. And next one is the aluminum hydroxide. That is also weak base only. Aluminum hydroxide. OH. Okay, now that is only is produced for us. Okay, now aluminum plus 3. Okay, plus 3 and 3 OH minus. Okay, this is only about our this concept of weak is strong acid and as well as the weak bases. Got it or not? Yes, weak bases and weak acids. When they produce less concentration of H plus ions, okay, now then the whatever other thing is there. In this one, CH3COO, more ions may get compared with H plus. That is why it is called a what? That is why it is only called a weak basis. Otherwise, it is a weak acids. It is called a weak basis. Okay, next one. The names of some acids are given. Yes, so many acids names are given. Sulfuric acid and as well as yes, bromic acid, whatever the hydroiodic acid. In a page number 25, one check it. The page number 25, you have the names and name of the somewhat metals and given the metals are produced some acid. Whatever the names are very very important. Somewhat metals and other somewhat metals and other non-metals. So both are formed the acids here. Yes, and one check it. Yes, when you check it here, sulfur. Okay, now the sulfur is a formed. There is a non-metals. Actually, somewhat a non-metal are given here, and somewhat a metallic acids are also there. Somewhat non-metal things are also there. Suppose you take a sulfur here, sulfur. Yes, yes. Symbol is yes. Yes, sulfur. Sulfur is produced two types of acids. Okay, clear or not? One is the H2SO4. It is the one of the acid we get for us. And afterwards, there is a one more 3 on SO3. The name of this acid is sulfurous acid. It is a sulfuric acid. Sulfuric. It is sulfurous. Got it? The difference is there between these two things. Okay. What is the name? Yes, here taking it as what sulfurous acid. Okay, clear or not? Sulfurous acid. Yes, the same way it's called sulfuric. Sulfuric. RIC Okay, now that is the difference is there. Okay, H2SO3 and H2SO4. Okay, now sulfuric acid and as well as the sulfurous acid. Okay, now SO3 is called the sulfurous. Sorry, it is called the sulfuric. It is called the sulfuric acid. H2SO4 is the sulfuric acid. H2SO3 is called the sulfurous acid. Okay, clear or not all this? And as well as there is what HNO2 nitrogen is also one of the okay now yes what it is also non-metal only. This is also produced acid for us. Okay now what is that H2 and HNO2 and as well as HNO3 HNO2 and as well as HNO3. This is the called nitric acid and as well as nitrous acid. This is the NO3 nitric. Okay, now NO2 is the called one nitrous. Okay, now it is the nitrous acid. It is the nitric acid. Nitric acid. Okay, clear. Like that, there is a one tabular format is given: chlorine, carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen, chlorine, carbon, phosphorus. These are the non-metals. These non-metals are produced somewhat acids. That acids are almost they are strong acids. These non-metals, whatever produces, the maximum strong acids are only may get from this. Okay, now what is that? Phosphorus acid is there. Yes, and as well as phosphoric acid and as well as carbonic acid. Already we are discussed. That is only there in the table. Okay, somewhat another bases are also there. How the bases are come from there? Okay, now, and which metal and which non-metals are produce the basis, we are going to discuss tomorrow. Okay, now, all the students, you have any doubt, please ask. What is the doubt? Any doubts are there for you? Please tell me what is your doubt. Raise your hand. All the students, up to Saturday, our classes are going on. Don't miss it. Okay, now, yes, don't miss it. Our classes are going on up to Saturday. Math class is also there today. Okay, now, don't miss the classes. Thank you. Bye. Take care.